Hey guys, Jen here from raven.lu.and.paper.too, bringing you my incoming swap for Beck's 4th annual 4th of July swap hosted by Beck at Beck's Crafting World. And this incoming swap is from Jennifer Loves to Create. And I will leave that information down below for you guys because she spells it with numbers. So you guys can find her stuff and go check it all out. It looks like she has also used the Flags and Frills collection, which I used. I guess we'll look first at the card here for the swap partner. That's me. And it was in this cute like bandana pattern paper. It says the Sweet Land of Liberty, and then we have these cute little tabs in the gingham, the grid, and the floral. It has a little scalloped edge here. And just a hello crafty friend, hope this swap brings a smile to you. I enjoyed creating it for you. Love, Jennifer. Thank you, Jennifer. Oh, she's got a stamp. You can't see it really good there, but it says her name all around it. It says Jennifer White, and then it says Jennifer in the middle. I need me one of those. That's cool. So cool. Thank you for your card. So beautiful. I guess we'll get into the this looks like it is the notepad. I will leave the link somewhere right here for everything we were supposed to include in this swap, because I don't even remember anymore what all we were supposed to include. So she has put it in this like acetate box, gable box, and we have this beautiful gingham around the bottom here, and these fun red, white, and blue stars, and it says "Oh my stars" on the back here. This is like a vellum, so cute, and she's got a like some white ribbon here, some cotton ribbon, and then we have a little ball and chain in red, and we have little star beads on it. Nope, stay in there. Try not to make a mess. Okay. So this is the notebook holder we had to make following Bethany's tutorial, My Crafty BFF. I can leave a link down for that below as well, you guys. Oh, she did hers with a magnet. That's so nice. The front here has a scallop trim on it, and then we have the little, in the grid paper, like a straight edge. We have a red backing paper and the pretty floral. Here is the spine. And then on the back she also has her little Made with Love tag here. And it is the same papers. And then here for the flap, we have the gingham, the blue and white gingham. She has this great big stitched circle die here to hide her magnet, and then we have a starburst, and then a scalloped one, and then one of the cute little ephemera pieces. And then in here it was holding her pen, and this pen is one she's beaded herself. We have this beautiful red iridescent bead, and then this one says Happy 4th of July, and we have a white iridescent bead as well. And then she has put 2 of the notepads in here, and on the bottom she's used the red paper, and then here she's used the floral. So, and just so you guys see how this works, because it's really ingenious, there's like a little pocket here that holds the notepads. So, like I said, I'll leave that tutorial that Bethany made down below as well, so you guys can find that. Thank you, Jennifer. Yours turned out absolutely beautiful. And then it looks like in there were also her Polaroid shakers. And her shakers are a good size. I love... is this like a vinyl? She's got on her acetate, it says "Oh my stars," and she's got these cute little stars and these little like I don't even know what you would call them, just cute little stripes. And then she's wrapped them with the twine and also has the star on them. And then this guy says Happy 4th of July, and she has a little, it's holding in a little piece of chain with a tassel of the red and the white. and this beautiful little star charm. These are really cute. I might have to craft lift these. Let's see. They're also a really good size here. We're looking at 3.5 inches by like 4.25 inches. I love all this attention to detail you have. This is so pretty. How am I supposed to use these? See, this is why I have so much stuff. I just keep holding on to it because I can't bring myself to use it when they're so cute, you guys. Here is her envelope, and I also use the same flag paper, so it looks like we have some of the same ideas here. And she has a giant paper clip here with those beautiful star beads on it, and it says "Party Like It's 1776." And then we have like a paper banner. We are layered up with a doily, and then like the little, I don't know what you would call this circle, like a sketchy circle. And then we have some little, these aren't ephemera dots, but they're like very dimensional dots. They're really cool. And a little piece of the ephemera. I couldn't remember the word for ephemera, sorry guys. And over here it says celebrate, and then she has this beautiful stitched star. And she has hand stitched all of these cute little blue threads here. And then we have this really pretty enamel dot in the center. Let me take this stuff out so you can see how pretty this envelope actually is. Okay, and she's also included a shaker. And in her shaker mix we have some blues, some reds, some whites. It looks like there's some iridescent as well as some gold stars in here. Can you guys see that? So cute. And then she's used like this red pom-pom trim on the edge, and she's done a fancy stitch all around the acetate there. And that's just a better look at the decoration itself. So pretty. And the back also has her little label on it. She's labeled everything. Like I said, I'll leave that information down below. Oh, I remember now. We had to have 3 star clusters, and these must be her star clusters. This is an absolutely adorable way of gifting these. Might have to craft lift this as well. Absolutely adorable. Hold on. Bear with me for the sound, please. Okay. Oh no, I lost one. Hold on. Oh, damn it. Okay. Now I definitely don't want to use these because, hello, gorgeous. So they are those, the stitch star that she has on the front here, and they are on this like thick foam, and we have the red, white, and blue, and the white is on a like glitter paper. I don't know if you guys can tell that. Is that visible on my poor camera here? And then each of them has a little like banner across it in the opposite color, and she did the stitching like this is a red star with the blue star on top and white stitching, and then white star with the red star and blue stitching, and then blue star with the white mini star and red stitching. And there, like I said, there are little banners across each of them, and tiny little jimmies on this like berry twig that she has on each of them, and these beautiful handmade flowers. We have rolled flowers, and each of them has like a different type of center. This one has like a pom-pom. We have a little jimmy. So many beautiful little details. Let's get this real close. Do you guys see those? Absolutely beautiful. What on earth should I save these for? Can I use these for? They're beautiful. I want to save them and use them all at the same time. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful job, Jennifer. Thank you so much. Love them. Let's go over here to the wand. We also had to have a wand. And hers, we have this giant scallop circle on the back. Then we have this big, beautiful rosette in this like navy color. Then she has this pom-pom trim. Then we have a white scallop, a red glitter scallop, a white glitter scallop, and she has in the center of each of those added little gems. We have a little acrylic star here that says Old Glory, and then it looks like we have some gem stars as well. Then we have the beautiful ribbon here on it as well. We have an iridescent, a white glitter, a very light blue, and the red gingham, and then of course the little shaker in the center there, and it has like the little sprinkle pieces in blue and red, and we have little flags and even little stars and a few little beads. Just hear that? A good little shaker sound. There we go. There's that mix inside, and then there are those tiny little stars there. Big beautiful wand, and then these are the paper ruffles. We had to have 4, yeah, we had to have 4 paper ruffles, and they had to be embellished. And hers are super embellished, way cooler than mine. So she has taken a piece of paper and laminated it to make it easier for my ruffles here to come off. We have the bandana on one side and the jean on the other. For these ruffles, we have, try not to break anything. We have the like firework paper, and then she has made these little award ribbons for each of them, and they have the cute little ephemera in the center. We have gems in the star and a regular gem. We have little twine bows. This one says America. She's done the fancy sewing on each of them. This one has a cute little star button on it. And then this guy says blessed, and it's like the same style as far as like it has the ribbon on the end. And we have cute little star gems, a regular little gem, that ephemera, and this one says blessed, like I said. Beautiful stitching, and this has a little piece of that like mesh ribbon there. So pretty. And then on the back here we have a red stripe. There we go. The red stripe with the fancy stitching. She has 2 more of these bows and a little star gem. I'm sorry, buttons and a star gem as well. It says let's celebrate. Another award ribbon with the ephemera and these tiny little gems that are iridescent. So cute, all these tiny little details. And then the last one is, oh my goodness, there we go, is the red gingham, and she has the star gems and the red, white, and blue, and it says red, white, and blue. Then we have this white mesh behind there, and this beautiful award ribbon with the ephemera in the center there. And this is a little piece of vellum right here. So much attention to detail. Let me see if I can fit all of this back in here. Let's see. Try not to go out of frame with anything. Kind of gives us a good shot of everything. Oh, there we go. that kind of gives us a good shot so you can get a good look at everything that she sent. Jennifer, thank you so much. Your attention to detail is absolutely beautiful. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I don't know if I'm getting that across in this video or not, but it is perfect. And thank you so much for participating in the swap. Beck, thank you for hosting, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.